Hey there, in this video I will teach you how can you insert a PDF link on Google spreadsheet cell. So here as you can see I have these cells. I want to insert a PDF link in this particular cell. So how am I supposed to do that? Just go to your drive. This is the drive, and make sure you have uploaded your PDF file on your drive. Alright, and from here then right click on your PDF. From here go to share and copy link. So once the link is copied, go to your spreadsheet and select the cell you want to insert a link, and from here just right click. Alright, so when you right click, this pops up, and from here insert link. Now just paste the link here, and at the end press the apply button. So as you can see the link is inserted. It's highlight like this, and now when you click here, boom. So this is how you insert a PDF link, or you can say PDF on a Google spreadsheet. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I have a great day.